Oh God, right now it is Thursday, February 13th. And as you can see, where am I going? There we are. It looks a mess. It's absolutely disgusting out there right now. I'm sitting here basically getting, cabin fever. Meanwhile, I was like, my coworkers are sort of scattered about. Some didn't make it at all. Some did go ahead and make it, but they're getting ready to go ahead and go home. As a matter of fact, let's see what Conley's doing. Hold on. What you playing?
Shoot all robots.
Shoot all robots?
Yep, shoot all robots.
Is that a game? Well, obviously it's a game, but...
It's a free Xbox 360 game that came out like a month ago.
Oh, okay.
But because I've been playing the other games, I haven't had a chance.
Oh, okay.
Well, what are you doing?
I'm making a short video blog.
On what?
Just right now. Of us getting, cabin fever. Yeah. And talking about my, sweatshop eyeglasses that I got in yesterday. Thank you, UPS! Alright, well, I'm over this. So now, I'm going to go ahead and move over here. Let's see here. Let's see if I can try to get a better angle, outside. I mean, that is just gross. Just for miles and miles and miles. Alright, well, I'm gonna go ahead and go into the fridge and make myself something to eat. I guess I will talk to y'all later. Bye.